So this 2007 Honda Odyssey, and just changing out low beam, high beam. It's like a dual filament. The first thing you gonna do, you want your headlight. This is on the passenger side. I've already disconnected. All you do is pull off the electrical connector, pull off your dust boot. Now pull this out also. All you gotta do, if you look down in there, you got this setup right here. Light. But this right here is what holds it in. And basically, you just, when you push it in there, this is going to go behind that right there. So it's going to go right there just like that, inside that notch. So when the light bulb is in here, it's pushing out. So when the light bulb's in here, what you're going to do is push this right here. See how this is raised up? You push that, and it's behind, right now it's behind that little flap. So you push it and lift it up, and then pull it out. Okay? So then to put the light bulb back in, you're going to put your light bulb in, you push it down, push, and then it'll go behind that little flap. So then, just like that. So you can't pull it out now. So I'm pulling right here. So now it's in there, you can't pull it out. So to get it out, push, then go up and pull it out like that. And that's how you pull out the light bulb. When you put your light bulb in, you're gonna push it back and then go down, and then it goes behind that little thing right there, behind that little right there. So get it out, up. Just push, when you push it in, just push it down. Okay, and that's it. And then you'll put your little dust cap back on, and put your little electrical connector. That thing's might need to be cleaned out. Put some little dielectric grease in there. Anyways, this is a dual filament light bulb. So that's the high beam and the low beam. You can tell it's a dual filament because there are two filaments in there. So there's one right there at the top, that coil, and then there's another coil right there underneath it. So if one separates, then one's going to be high beam, one's going to be low beam. So if you see a separation in there, which there is on the top one, I don't know if you can see it, but it's missing a piece in the middle. So when you get a separation, you have a break in the circuit. So you don't have a complete circuit here. So therefore, the low beam is not working on here. Okay. All right. So this that's how you place the light bulb. So low beam and high beam run on the same circuit. So this is the low beam and the high beam. It's all in the same light bulb on this vehicle.